Je lui ai dit, aime-moi, prends-moi dans tes bras, et je n'ai plus personne. Et ne laisse pas ton odeur imprégner mes draps, et si tu m'abandonnes, je suis pas celle que tu crois, aucun cabron ne m'a touché. À part toi, caballero, non personne ne m'a touché. La cocaïne a pris ma famille. Je suis une clandestine à Miami. La cocaïne a pris ma famille. Je suis une clandestine à Miami. La cocaïne a pris ma famille. Je suis une clandestine à Miami. La cocaïne a pris ma famille. Je suis une clandestine à Miami. Et si tu m'abandonnes, et si tu m'abandonnes, et si tu m'abandonnes.
So, where's the autofocus come from? You guys might be wondering, what is this fat ass idiot doing with a blender bottle, or is it blender bottle and some pre-workout? Well, gym's is closed, so I can't. This is pretty much useless. I'm probably gonna use this to, like, you know, take a sample so I can get hyped up the game, yeah, and then go to work later. But I was bored and we're in quarantine, so I have to sit at home all day. So I decided to film something cinematic. I'm filming with a Panasonic GH4. Yeah, I used to use this camera a lot, but then I just fell off and just started using my phone. But if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and maybe I could review some, do some other shots and stuff like that. I was thinking about reviewing a evergreen tree because it's outside and I can practice social distancing and review the bark or something. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. Bye.
I thought that I warned you.